Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through how to solve the problem of advertising access restricted for security purposes. Confirm your identity to run an ads and manage ad accounts. To be able to run and manage ads, confirm your identity with Facebook. Once you have submitted your information, it can take up to 48 hours for your identity to be confirmed. Okay, so we are being told that this account they suspect some suspicious activity, and for us to be able to regain access to advertising, we have to confirm the identity. And so normally when this thing happens, what is happening is that Facebook is thinking it's a fake account. Yeah, they are suspecting that it is a fake account. And normally this will happen if you are doing anything relating to advertising. Yeah. Now, so how do we solve this problem? Please stay tuned to the end because I will help you get a solution to this problem within 5 minutes or less. Within 5 minutes or less. So please stay to the end, because if you don't follow the step to the end, you may not get the solution. Okay, because there are certain things that you need to take a critical look at and resolve them according to what I'm indicating here before you be able to resolve it. Okay, now if you are here, you just go here. You can click on confirm your identity, or you can click here, and then when you click here, you see, let me just show you something. When you click here, you will see account quality. Now you can click here direct, but I'm trying to show you how to go to account quality in case your own is a user account. It's a page or business manager. You may not have confirmed your identity directly from here. Yeah, that's why I am showing you. If you click on the three lines and click on account quality, to bring you here. If you also click on confirm your identity, it will bring you here. But in case you don't have this confirm identity and you are just told your advertising access is restricted, sometimes you may see details, or sometimes if it's a page or business manager and you haven't logged into that business manager, you won't see it until you click on the three lines and click on account quality. Now, we're in account quality. We are asked to confirm our identity. Before we confirm the identity, there are certain changes we need to make. Okay, so now what are the changes? You need to look at your ID card, and then that's the ID card you use to do the identity confirmation. Okay, so what are the ID cards that you will normally use to do this identity confirmation? One of it is a passport. You can use a passport. You can use a national identity card. You can use driver's license. You can use voter ID. These are the 4 major ID cards that you may need to use to be able to confirm your identity successfully. Now, whichever ID you are using should have your first and last name, your birthday, and your gender, and a picture of you showing your clearly how your face looks. Now, you will have to come back to your Facebook profile. Then you click on the your profile picture on the top right hand corner. Go to settings and privacy. Go to settings from there. You may see your account information, the name, the first and last name. Check. If your first and last name is not matching with your real name on the ID card, please make sure you make those changes. If you don't change it, your identity confirmation will fail and you will not have another opportunity. You may not have another opportunity to do identity confirmation again, especially when you are having a permanent restriction. Now, you come back to your profile, click on your profile picture on the left-hand corner, scroll down to about info, go to contact and basic info, and then check your gender and your birth date. If your birth date is not matching exactly with what is on your ID card, please know that it will not work and your account may be permanently restricted. Please take notice of that. Okay. Then, as I said, so you check the birth date, you check your gender, you check your full name, first and last name. Okay. If those things are done, you come back, you click on confirm identity, continue. You may be asked to confirm whether you are the one. Select all images with motorcycles. Whatever security things you may be asked to do, you follow it. Okay, continue. They are asking you to confirm the number. Good. And you click on next. Okay. They will ask you to upload an image of yourself. So you make sure that you get a clear picture of yourself. And then you upload it. Okay. Then we click continue. Okay. They are saying the image is too small. So let me increase the size of the image. Okay. So I've increased the size of the picture. And then I've uploaded it. Click continue. Then they are now asking of our photo. So we get the photo. After that, and make sure that the image appears very clear. That you click on upload. They said, thank you for requesting a review request. Thank you for completing the identity confirmation process. We are always looking for the security for community. So while we are reviewing your information, you won't be able to advertise. Yeah. So the account will be in review. So we expect that within 5 minutes or less, this account identity confirmation should be successful, or the identity should be confirmed, and we can advertise again. Okay, so that's about 5 minutes. I've just waited for about 2-3 minutes. Let me refresh and see whether the identity has been confirmed or not. Yeah, as you can see, advertising access reinstated. Thank you for confirming your identity. You can now advertise your ads, personal ad account, and other affected advertising asset will return to the previous state. Yeah, so it has been successfully reinstated. As I told you, if you follow the same process, your account will also be reinstated. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. You can WhatsApp us using the WhatsApp link below. If you still follow the process and you don't get a solution, you can follow WhatsApp us using the link in the description. You can also book directly on our website. Just take time to follow everything, looking at the description and then all the links there, follow it. Let's help you. You can also check the testimonies you can see on your screen. We have helped over 3,000 people in the last 2 years to be able to get their account reinstated. And if you contact us, we'll be able to help you get your advertising access reinstated. If you are also advertising and you are not making enough sales, we will help you to be able to do that. Thank you once again and have a great day. Bye.